In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free sentiment analysis by using ChatGPT or any AI that you use. So for this, you can use any website or app where you get your Forex news from. As for me, sometimes I do use Forex Factory, so you have to do is search for forexfactory.com, and this is what it's going to show you. So now, how do you get this data into ChatGPT? So one of them is simply copy. The other one is simply just taking a screenshot. You take a screenshot, then upload it to ChatGPT and simply ask ChatGPT to give us a sentiment analysis. So let's just try to do just that. So I'm going to take a screenshot. Okay, and I'm only going to, okay, all right. So now, since I've taken the screenshot, let us upload it to ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on add photos. Okay, then in the caption, I'm going to say asking based on this Forex news from Forex Factory. Then simply click on send. So let us wait for ChatGPT to reply us. So there you go, we've got our free sentiment analysis. Okay, and it will give you based on the date and the currencies, and here it is, and it explains in a better way that you can actually even follow. So for example, it can even show you a signal that is negative, okay, there's neutral, then there's bullish, there's bearish, okay, there's neutral, and so on, there's bearish, okay, there's bearish, there's neutral, there's strongly bullish, and so on. So this is a really good sentiment analysis. It will even help you like understand better on what you should do. So this data we are seeing here is very good compared to how the data is just shown in these news websites. So hope you like this video. If you did, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.